How to find Roblox Error Code 610. If you are facing error on your Roblox, follow these steps. Firstly, open the web browser from where you downloaded the Roblox app. After that, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. When you do that, then this kind of menu will open. Scroll down at the bottom and select the option Settings. Now go to the search bar on the very top and search for Site Data. Now select the option Site Settings from the search suggestion. Inside Site Settings, scroll down. After that, select the option Third-Party Cookies. Inside, select the option See All Site Data and Permissions. Now here you will see all the applications that you have used on your web browser. Type in Roblox on the search bar. Now I haven't opened roblox.com on the web browser. However, when you type in this, then Roblox will come in the search suggestion. As you can see here, you will see a trash can icon. Click on the trash can icon and delete it. Now go back to your desktop and select Windows. Click on All at the top of the apps. Then navigate to Roblox. Now select the option Uninstall and reinstall this application from your web browser. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.